Well, I heard that the Klein crew has a couple of projects. We don't know yet. Yep. But I know. Huh? Huh? How do you find out? How do you find out? Well, I seen Billion counting up his failed chains. From what? From what? Oh, did he hear that the new Black Widow Marvel movie's gonna be delayed until November 6th? Oh yeah, and oh yeah, oh man, I couldn't wait. What? What? I heard that was gonna be good. Huh? Huh? He was saving up for plaudits. What? Like action figures? Yeah, and stuff from Dollar Tree. Yeah, and Hot Topic. Yeah, Valiant is such a nerd. Yeah, Valiant is such a nerd. But wait, I know they're two closets. Well, how do you know? And how do you know when I was absent for some time? Oh yeah, we were absent for some time. Especially me. Yeah, especially, huh? Yeah. The first project is they're casting out cans and bottles. What? What? For 4 trips to Dollar Tree in one day. What? What? What ones and what ones? You know, the free they start to buy on March 1st. Oh yeah, and oh yeah. And the one where they broke the Rapunzel's Tangled Adventure puzzle finding record. Oh yeah, and oh yeah, those full. Yep. And the second project is there's a purple pig. Oh yeah, I heard that they were gonna do that. Oh, you knew too? Well, I heard that might happen. Hopefully it is gonna happen. And Passy and Cybones, could you find out? Could you find out how much they have so far? Yeah, we could. And while I find out how many cans and bottles they have outside and inside. Oh yeah, let's go, and let's go. Wait, change of plans. I gotta find out how much money they have inside of that piggy bank. And while you two check out the recycling, I can check out the inside and I can check out the outside. That could be awesome. Yep. Guys, we got more spilled chains.